I was knocked down, heard the countdown through the haze, in the face of defeat, yeah. I was ruled out with no bailout, on my own, all alone, left to bleed out. But I rose up.
Hey guys, welcome back to another cleaning motivation video. So I'm bringing you guys another after dark clean with me because I honestly love to clean at nighttime. I find it so therapeutic for me, especially after the kids go to bed. I just feel like I am in my zone. I put on my headphones, I listen to some music, or I put on a YouTube video to watch and catch up on my favorite YouTubers as well, or I'm even watching a cleaning video sometimes when I'm cleaning too. And yeah, I just need all the motivation that I can, so I wanted to bring you guys some cleaning motivation in case you need it as much as I do.
So I've been told that I should fold and give in. I can't win in this game, no. But you can hear me laughing. I'm the new thing in this field. You should kneel instead of me now.
I wanted to start off by just cleaning the kitchen and putting away all the dishes, and also loading the dishwasher. On this night, I honestly didn't have too much. I have been washing them throughout the day, so I didn't have too much to do at nighttime. That's what I've been doing lately. I find that it helps me so that way I'm not like bombarded with so many dishes. So I went ahead and I started doing the pots and pans by hand. I like to do that, and also the other things that I do not add in the dishwasher.
I ain't asking for permission, no. I don't have to say I'm sorry. I ain't staying in the background, no, 'cause I don't need your worry. I'm a movement and I ain't losing. Gonna go, 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 go. Like a bullet, won't take no bullshit. You should know, no, no, no. I'm about to explode.
So here I am washing my sink, and I actually got ahead of myself and I washed it before I finished doing all the wiping down on the counters. So I ended up washing it twice, but I will only show you guys the one time. I don't want to bore you guys with washing the sink, even though it's honestly so satisfying after you do the dishes and you just start washing it down and rinsing and seeing everything go away and it's nice and shiny. Is that just me? Maybe. It might just be me.
After a while, I'm sensing a smile.
So on this night, my appliances needed some help. I had not wiped down my appliances for quite a bit, and the fridge has so many little fingerprints on them and smudges, so I wanted to give it a little bit of shine, and I went ahead and I wiped down the fridge, the dishwasher, and the stove as well. So I was coming to the end of the kitchen cleaning, so the last thing that I usually do is sweep and mop as well. I honestly wouldn't mind finding a vacuum cleaner that's silent so I can use it after the kids go to bed, because I prefer to vacuum the floors. I just feel like it does a better job than the broom, but the broom is okay at nighttime, especially. It's all I got, so I went ahead and I swept up my floors. My kitchen really needed to be mopped, so it was a good night to actually do a cleaning motivation video, because the floors really needed a good mopping. All right, now I was moving into the dining room. Just had to wipe down the table. The kids had spilled a lot of food on there, so it had a lot of dried food on there. I had to really scrub it and spray it a lot, actually. So yeah, that's what I did here. Not much to do in the dining room, other than wiping down the table and also sweeping and mopping it. Also that in the center, in the tray, that little flower pot, if you guys noticed, it's the one that was in my kitchen with my wooden spoons in them. That's actually like a vase. It's not for the kitchen, but I just happened to like it so much when I bought it a couple years ago, and I just turned it into that. It held my spoons for quite a bit, so I appreciated it. Now it was time to actually use it for the right purpose. So the last place that I wanted to touch up was my living room. Not much to be done here. I just had to straighten up a few things and wipe down the tables and a little bit of the fireplace as well. There were no toys, thank God, so I didn't have to clean all that. But just little wiping down, sweeping and mopping, and that's it. All right, you guys, it is the end of the video. I was pretty much done cleaning my main areas. The living room was the last place that I had to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you all the motivation that you need. If you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so. It is free and it also helps me to grow my YouTube family. Thank you so much for always sticking around and watching till the end. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I will see you all in my next one. Stay blessed, guys. Bye.